Hello guys, welcome to Ikara Technology. So today we will see objects and class in Java. So imagine you have a box. This box is special because it can hold different things like toys, books or anything else you want. In programming, we have something similar called as class, okay, which can hold multiple things like methods, functions, etc. So let us see what is class first. So a class is like a blueprint or plan for creating objects. Imagine you have a blueprint for building a house. It tells you what the house should look like and what room should it have. Similarly, a class tells the computer what properties and actions an object should have when it's created. So for example, here we have a structure of a class where we define access modifier like public or private as we want to give. Then we have to name the class. Yeah, like here we have given class name, and here you can execution code like methods, fields, properties, constructs. You can give whatever you want. Okay, and let us see a quick intro of objects. So now imagine using the blueprint to create an actual car. This car you create is called an object. An object is a real instance or copy of a class. It has unique properties like the color of the car and behavior like driving or stopping. So for example, if you create a class for cars, so it will work as a blueprint to work on various cars models. Like you can change color, you can create an object like color and speed, and you can afterward define the car color and the speed of the different cars. The class will make a blueprint that what kind of work you are doing on that, and below you can get the elements on which you are working. So let's see this example given here. We have taken this example in our Eclipse IDE. So let's move there. Okay, so here we have created a car class, okay, which is public, and then we have created two properties of class like public string color and public int speed. These two are properties of this class. Okay, so we haven't defined any values to it currently. We will define it afterwards by creating its object. And then we have public void drive. Okay, so this is a method and this is also a method. These two methods will be also used in our main function. So afterward, here we have our main function, which is used for execution in our code. So main function basically runs first all the inputs available in it. And let's see how we create an object. For example, let us create another object too. So here we will take the name of the class first, then we will give whatever name we want to give to that object. For example, here I will take car3, and afterwards we have to use new keyword. It is very important while creating an object to use new keyword. After that we will again use the name of the class, and we will use these brackets, and at last semicolon. So we have successfully created an object of the class. So here we have a blueprint, like we have a blueprint of car. We can select multiple colors and speed, which are properties of this car. So let us select a color for this. So we will call this through our name of the object. So here we have a car3 name object, and then we can after using a dot, we can give whatever properties we want to handle. For example, here I have to handle the color of the car, so I will call the color. See, it is showing in the option 2. After selecting the color, I will use assignment operator and assign it the value. For example, here I will give blue here. So after assigning, I will use semicolon. So we have successfully defined a color to the car object, new car object. Okay, and after that we can also define the speed of the car. For example, here we have a speed property, so we will define the car3 speed as, let's take let's take 250. Okay, we have a speed car, so let's take 250. And after that, wait a second, let me comment this out first. For example, if I have to access the car 3 color, so let's give a printing statement here. So sys o control space, so I will get the printing statement. After that, I will use the name of the object, so car3 here, and after using dot, I will select the color. Okay, so we have got the object color object and the property of that object. And after, if I want to print the speed of the car, so I will use SYSO control space. We got a printing statement. Then here car3 dot color, sorry, speed. So if I will run this, you will get the color and the speed of the car you defined. Okay. Similarly, we have also defined two more car color and its speed. Okay. Mean basically define we define the speed and the color of this, and we can access all those through this printing statement. Okay. And here we have the methods which we declared above. So let's call the method here. For example, if I have to call the method car3 dot drive, so it will print the method here, the car is driving. Okay, if it doesn't specify anything in this, the method will get printed as it is, but we can use in any object that method. Okay, so this works as a blueprint for objects to work on it. Okay, did you understand? And here below we have some tasks which you have to practice so that you can understand better and learn in a better way. Okay, so today we saw objects and class in Java. Thank you.